Virtualized desktops made simple. As a business, we connect users to applications and data. It's something we've been successfully doing for years, but recently things have become much more complicated. Firstly, the application set has grown considerably and now includes core applications used by everyone, team applications, and specific personal applications. Instead of getting simpler, it's becoming more and more complex, with new applications added to the mix without old ones being removed, and with a likely trend towards micro-applications adding an extra layer of complexity. Data is also becoming more diverse, with centralized data, personal data, shared data, as well as cloud and offline data. And the need for compliance around data security has never been higher. Which applications and data can be accessed? Where can users take the data? And where are they allowed to use it? As well as interaction with the network, we've got a massively more mobile workforce, connecting over Wi-Fi, 3G, 4G and the cloud, accessing both corporate and SaaS apps. And the desktop is where all this comes together, whether delivered from the data center or the user interface of the device itself. An increasingly wide range of devices are being used for the user interface. Desktop PCs, especially for more detailed work, tablets, with touch now fundamental to a lot of people's expectations of computing, and smartphones for consuming information on the move. This is a much more dynamic environment than organizations have been used to providing. There's also a blurring of the once clear distinction between work and personal, as people work in a more mobile and flexible manner, and they leverage personal and social media relationships for work purposes. Many users expect to be able to bring their own tablet to work and want to deal with some of their personal life on their work device. It all comes down to accommodating changing work styles for the benefit of both user and organization, enabling users to access to whatever they need from whichever device they want, whatever the connection, and wherever their location. All of this is achievable with VDI, but while some small-scale pilots can be easy to deliver, as they scale up beyond a couple of hundred users and demands rise, we find pinch points all the way through, which result in poor performance and an unacceptable user experience. Centralis PureDesktop addresses all this, successfully delivering the desktop as a centralized service. The PureDesktop platform has been designed and rigorously tested against well-defined workloads to successfully scale up from hundreds to thousands of users, avoiding the usual pinch points and performance issues along the way. The capacity, and in particular the throughput and responsiveness of the platform's storage, is critical to this. And PureDesktop makes clever use of optimization technologies to consistently deliver the performance users expect. PureDesktop also maintains that operational performance with expert management. This means setting thresholds and alerts for acceptable performances to take action before the user reports a problem. The PureDesktop service carries out the necessary maintenance and keeps the desktop and applications current in a way that is transparent to the user. By using a centralized gold image, it ensures that the user's desktop is up to date, patched, fast, and compliant with the organization's security needs. PureDesktop provisions desktops and applications. We can use a storefront, effectively an application catalog, to give self-service access to apps already ascribed to the user for delivery to either a centralized or remote desktop. If the organization wants to push out a new application, it can be added to the app catalog, published to the storefront, and so available to the user, making the provision of new applications quick and on demand. PureDesktop provides a user experience in line with the expectation users have from consumer electronics, providing a desktop performance that is as good as, if not better than, a new physical desktop. And with PureDesktop, they get that new desktop experience every day. The organization benefits from cost certainty, with scale-up and new applications delivered at a known cost. Put simply, Centralis PureDesktop connects the user to the data and applications they need to do their job, from whatever device and whatever location they need to work from, for a fixed monthly cost. PureDesktop. VDI. Pure and simple. To learn more about Centralis PureDesktop, visit centralis.co.uk/PureDesktop. Call 01564 79 59 11 or email webank@centralis.co.uk.